Welcome to Laptop Living Quick Tip Tuesdays, where every other Tuesday we give quick marketing tips on topics for the real estate niche, various small businesses, marketers, and agencies. And today's Quick Tip Tuesdays topic is how to get leads to your open house using Facebook in $30. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an open house ad on Facebook, how to use Ads Manager, who to target and where. And with the Facebook ad campaign, you can alleviate cold calling, door knocking, and handing out flyers. Okay, now that we're on Facebook and we're on our business page, we're going to go to this top right arrow here, top of the page, and we'll go to Business Manager and click on that. And now that we're in Business Manager, we click on Business Manager on the top left. See the drop down menu. Now we click on Ads Manager because this is where we're going to create our open house ad campaign. Once you're on Ads Manager, you see the campaigns right here on your left hand side. Click Create. Okay, you're gonna come to this page, and since it's a housing ad, we have to click on special ad category and let them know that we're using a housing ad. Click on a drop down menu, go to housing. Now we can go down and tell them our objective, and our objective is to have our audience look at our Facebook ad, click on the link, and go to our website where our open house is located, info and pictures. So we go here to traffic. Now Facebook knows our objective. We want traffic. We want people who are most likely to click on our ad. Now we name our ad. Let's say open house. Hold on. Open house. Let's say I would name it whatever street it's on. So I'm just gonna put 12 Laptop Lane. So you know which campaign this is. We don't need a split test or campaign budget optimization. Click on continue. Now the asset. The asset means it's just basically who we're targeting with our ad, where we're targeting the ad, and also how much money we're going to spend on our ad. So we're going to name this ad set. Let's just put it in my hometown, Rochester, New York, open house. Okay, let me capitalize that. So I know what ad set this is. Open house. Traffic, of course, we want to choose where we want to drive the traffic. Of course, is in our website. Dynamic creative, we don't need. We'll leave that off. Offer, not offering anything. Create new audience, no, because we're targeting a cold audience. So what we're going to do is we're going to target by location. Now here you want to put everyone who lives in this location. Because if you put everyone in this location, that's just basically saying people who are around the location. They could be tourists or people just driving by or visiting. So remember, put people who live in this location. Let's just say my open house is in Rochester. New York, or you can put the county, but you also see how it's Rochester, New York, 15 miles. You want to put that, leave that in between 50 to a 20-mile radius. So anybody who lives in a 15 to 20-mile radius around Rochester here will be targeted. And as you see on your right-hand side, the potential reach is 600,000 people. Right now, estimated daily results is between 2,000 to 7,000 people, which is good. And most likely to click on your link is 118 to 340, depending on the ad. But it's going to change once we add more details to our targeting. So our age is 18 to 65. We're going to leave. Gender, we're going to leave male and female. Detailed targeting. Now you can, if you want more leads that are quality leads, then you will use detailed targeting such as interests. The most common interest I will tell you to use is realtor.com. Anybody who has been on realtor.com, will be targeted. Let's use another big time. Let's go Trulia. Realtor.com. Realtor.com. And you can add more if you want, but I'm just showing you a general idea of detailed targeting. And as you see, we're still up with 1.7 thousand to 5,000 reach per day with 84 to 242 link clicks. We'll see how the potential reach went down to 78,000 because it's more detailed. Or you can leave it broad. Connections, we're going to leave. Placements, we're going to leave automatic because we want Facebook to determine the best placements where our ad is going to be optimized the most. So we're going to leave that. We're not going to edit the placement. Budget, we're optimizing for ad delivery. We're optimizing for link clicks. We want the people who majority who will click on the link on our ad. Cost control, we leave that blank. Budget and schedule, we're going to put, like you said, $30. And don't do a daily budget. This is an open house, so you want your ad to run for a week before. So let's just 7 days. So you want to change the daily budget to the lifetime budget. And you want it to start, that's $350. Hold on. That's way too much. And you want your ad to start again a week before. So let's just say today's date. I'm gonna start it today. Later. So actually I'm gonna start it tomorrow. Start it early tomorrow morning. And let's just say start tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. So you want it to start fresh. And open houses on Sunday. So let's just say, and you want to end it. You want to end it on actually the exact day and time that it starts. So let's just say Sunday 2 p.m. Okay, transfer preference, we leave that as it runs ads all the time. And that is it for your ad set, placement, budget, and schedule. Now you see per day we reach between 777 to 2,000 people with 41 to 100 link clicks. Now remember, this is just an estimate, but it's still a lot. So now you see why, the reason there's no door knocking, cold calling, or handing out flyers. Basically, Facebook is doing that for you with this ad. Now, let's create the ad. Of course, we got to give it the ad a name. So we're gonna name this Oh no, hold on. Let's see, 12 Laptop Lane open house ad. Now make sure you have your Facebook page and also your Instagram page. Then we go down. We're going to use a single image. And you can upload the image. Upload the image of the open house. It could be like a little teaser because you don't want to show them everything on your Facebook ad. So I'm going to my downloads. Get a nice picture. Let's see. Let's use this one. Upload. Hold on. Oh, okay, there it is. No need for that again. All right. Now we're going to go down. We have our picture. As you can see it here. Nice picture. You can also look at them different placements. So desktop news feed, instant articles, and you can edit it how you like. But now we're going to the primary text. Now the text is going to be seen with the Facebook ad. So you want to do something like, you want to catch the audience attention, because remember it's Facebook and they're probably looking at friends and family's posts. So you want to catch their attention quick. So an example would be, let's say, attention Rochester and surrounding areas. Oops. Put that right there. Looking for a new home. I always ask a question. Questions usually catch people's attention too. Looking for a new home and check out this beautiful 3-bedroom home on 9/8/17. See, I just gave them, you're looking for a new home, asked them a question, and check out this beautiful 3-bedroom home on 9. So they're like, oh, maybe it's an open house or something. Headline will be displayed here. So we want a catchy headline. So let's just keep it simple, and I'll put open house. Nine, 8/19. because again, we want to advertise our open house, so you want to put it everywhere you can. Description is basically right at the bottom of your headline. So you want to put something with urgency. You want them to click on the ad to go to your website. So let's just say this house will sell fast. So once they look at the headline, then they're like, this house will sell fast. So they're like, oh, well, let me look at it now and see if I'm interested. And click on a link. Now, destination, we're going to take them to a website. Now that you put your website here. So what I did was I already have something up there. So click on the link, put my link up there. And this is what happens. They have my link here. They have the link here, so when they click on, they will see your business and your link here. Display link, we leave that. Call to action, of course, we're going to keep it at learn more, but there's other options. But again, we're going to keep it at learn more. Stories, no need to touch that. Languages, the default is English, so we're going to leave that. Tracking, make sure your tracking is on and you set it up to go to your website because you want to track everybody who came from this Facebook page or your Facebook ad to your website or your landing page. Again. Okay, and that's it. You can either review or you can confirm that your ad is ready. If I was you, I will review it first, then confirm it. So this is exactly how you create an open house Facebook ad campaign. Well, that's it for this edition of Laptop Living Quick Tips Tuesdays. I hope this video was super helpful and that you realize how Facebook ads can help you have a successful open house with a small ad budget. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment and don't forget to like and share our Facebook page and posts. Until next time.